welcome to class. Right now we'll be treating a question on simultaneous equations. So we'll be solving a particular question together. It has to do with you solving simultaneous equations using substitution method. Now this is the question. Some of you must have done or solved this question before now. So this will serve as correction to the classwork that you were given. And if you haven't solved the question before now, congratulations, you're in this class to learn again. So solve x plus 3y equals 6. X minus y equals 2. So the first equation is equation 1 and the second equation is equation 2. In simultaneous equations, you have to number your equation. Now, when using substitution method, you need to make one of the variables the subject of the formula to be able to derive an expression for one of the letters. When I mean variables, I mean the letters that you're seeing in the equations. X is a variable, y is a variable. I hope you understand that. Now we need to find the value of x and the value of y. And for us to use substitution methods to solve these simultaneous equations, we have to make either x or y the subject of the formula. That is, you have to make x equal to an expression, or you rather choose y equals an expression. Whichever way it goes, you will still arrive at the same answer as mine. In maths, you don't have only one method. We have different methods to arriving at a particular answer. As long as your method is correct, you will get the same answer as mine. Now, I'm going to make x the subject of the formula, but I'll be using equation 1. So I will say from equation 1, I have x plus 3y equals 6. So that will be x is equal to 6 minus 3y. Because when you take plus 3y to the right side of the equal sign, it becomes minus 3y. So you need to understand that. So it's just like you're looking for x. You're finding the value of x. It's the same thing. Now we have been able to make x the subject of the formula. That is, we have been able to make x stand alone. Now, x is equal to 6 minus 3y. This is another equation. We will call it equation 3. So from equation 1, we have been able to form equation 3. Now, we're going to substitute the value of x in equation 2. All right? We're going to use equation 2 now to find the value of y. I hope you understand that. So equation 2 is x minus y equals 2. Now that we have gotten a value for x in equation 3, we'll be substituting that value in equation 2. So we will say substitute the value of x in equation 2. Equation 2 is x minus y equals 2. Alright, that is our equation 2. Now for equation 3, the value of x in equation 3 is 6 minus 3y, which means in equation 2, anywhere you see x, don't write x again. Replace it with 6 minus 3y. So we move on to equation 2, which is x minus y equals 2. So instead of writing x again, we will write 6 minus 3y, then minus y equals 2. Now, to collect the like terms, minus 3y minus y will give us minus 4y. So 6 minus 4y is equal to 2. Now take note that we need to make y stand alone. We are looking for the value of y. So we have to collect the like terms. 6 and 2 are like terms. 4y has to stand alone. So 4y is negative on the left side right here. This is minus 4y. When it crosses to the right side, it becomes plus 4y. So that will be 6. Plus 2 is on the right side. When it comes to the left side of the equal sign, it becomes minus 2 equals minus 4y comes to this side, it becomes plus 4y. It is because I want it to be positive. That is why, but that was why I had to do it like that. So now that we have 6 minus 2, 6 minus 2 is 4, equals 4y, and it is the same as writing 4y is equal to 4. So to find the value of y, just divide both sides by 4. Divide both sides by 4. So that will be 4y over 4 is equal to 4 over 4. 4 into 4 is 1. 4 into 4 is 1. So the value of y is equal to 1. So if you did not start with this method, if you use the first equation, all well and good, you're still going to get 1 as a value of y. Now that we have gotten the value of y, which is 1, we will subtract this value of y in equation 3, because in equation 3 we already derived an expression for x. Now we're going to substitute the value of y here in equation 3. Equation 3 is 6 minus 3y. So substitute y in equation 3. Equation 3 is x is equal to 6 minus 3y. That is, wherever you see y in equation 3, replace it with 1, because we've gotten the value of y as 1. So x is equal to 6 minus 3 into bracket 1. Instead of me writing y again, I have replaced with 1. So x is equal to 6 minus 3 times 1, that's equal to 3. So x is equal to 6 minus 3, that is 3. So the value of x here is 3. Therefore, x and y coordinates will be equal to, the value of x is 3 and the value of y is 1. Exactly. So this is the answer to the question that we have solved. Maybe you have solved it before watching this video. Make sure you compare this video with the answer that you have gotten. I want you to write this in your exercise book, because at Learning Base Academy we write. Hope you enjoyed this short class. Thank you. Keep learning. You will always be the best. Have a wonderful time.